things, and this is one that I grew up listening to the radio, and singer-songwriters, of course, you know, down here there's a million of them too, great ones, and I always loved to know who wrote the songs. So I listened to guys like Bob Seger, Billy Joel, Willie Nelson, Elton John, you know, Merle Haggard. I mean, a lot of these guys, Bruce Springsteen, and I always loved the fact that Don Henley and guys like that wrote the songs. So this is what I wrote the song about. Seeger was singing words I could believe, and Main Street was my street that night. So I called Samantha and asked her to dance with me under the pale moonlight. She's not with me now, but she can always be found when I rewind that radio dial. Like it was then, I feel her on my skin, and I'm back there for a while. So I labor for hours, 'cause I know the power of a song when a song hits you right. Pouring my soul into stories of life, hoping someone will hear one tonight. And maybe my voice will cut through the noise and bring back an old memory. And out of these piano keys comes the sound of a million dreams. Like 18 summer, I was a cocky up-and-comer and cranking up, born to run. Turn left out the drive with the pistons open wide, and I came back the prodigal son. My spirit was broken, mama threw the door open, said I love you, now I told you so. I hear mama tried, I still break down and cry and pull to the side of the road. I never for hours, 'cause I know the power of a song when a song hits you right. Pouring my soul into stories of life, hoping someone will hear one tonight. Maybe my voice will cut through the noise